Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer XRP from one exchange to another in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to move it for better rates or security, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check for any updates since crypto evolves quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both your source exchange, where your XRP is currently, and your destination exchange. You'll also need to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a must in the crypto world to protect against hacks. Got that? Great. Step 1. Log into your source exchange account. Head over to the wallet or funds section and find your XRP balance. Click on Withdraw or Send. It might vary by platform. Step 2. Enter the wallet address from your destination exchange. This is crucial. Copy it accurately to avoid losing your funds. Remember, XRP often requires a memo or tag for the transaction to go through correctly, especially on exchanges like Binance or Kraken. Double check if your destination needs one, as missing it could send your XRP into the void. Step 3. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to network improvements, but they still add up. Review the details, confirm the transaction, and hit send. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Once it's sent, keep an eye on the blockchain using explorers like XRP Scan. Transfers usually take a few minutes, but network congestion could delay it. When it arrives at your destination exchange, log in and verify your XRP balance. A quick word of caution. Always use the official wallet addresses and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. That's it for the steps. By now, you should have your XRP transferred successfully. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.